Hello, and welcome to this video about ST's STM32F0 embedded firmware solution for USB Type-C and power delivery technology. This video presents an overview of USB Type-C and power delivery technologies and shows how you can use ST's USB Type-C and power delivery NUCLEO-Pack to explore and develop USB solutions. For less than $50, this development tool includes a certified embedded software solution, an expansion board with two USB Type-C dual-role port receptacles, and a Nucleo board based on 32-bit STM32F072 microcontroller with an ARM Cortex M0 core. USB has evolved from a basic data interface capable of supplying limited power to an advanced data interface that is also a primary provider of power. This new connector is reversible and can deliver power up to 100 watts. It handles digital protocols like HDMI or DisplayPort and can stand data rates up to 10 gigabits per second. Thanks to this new USB technology, you can connect a dock station to a hybrid laptop, supply power to your system, charge your smartphone or tablet and exchange data with it, or connect a headphone or an external display. ST offers several solutions to support USB power delivery. A certified market-proven firmware solution on an STM32F0 with a discrete analog front end. A more integrated one with an ST USB 1602 Type-C PD controller, including a power delivery physical layer and BMC line driver. A full hardware solution with an ST USB 47 PD controller optimized for AC adapters, and a standalone ST USB 1600 Type-C interface up to 15 watts. ST's USB power delivery firmware solution embeds software compliant with USB Type-C 1.2 and USB Power Delivery 2.0 specifications. It manages configuration and communication over CC lines. The current firmware uses an STM32F0 microcontroller and a discrete analog front end to handle vendor-defined messages and alternate mode commands. This solution supports up to two USB Type-C ports acting as provider, consumer, or dual role. This modular architecture is based on STM32Cube firmware expansion rules. Firmware is provided as a binary object and sources can be delivered under a non-disclosure agreement. Extra functions can be added thanks to the STM32Cube library. This firmware is supported by ST Microelectronics. The STM32 NUCLEO-Pack contains an STM32 Nucleo board, USB Type-C power delivery expansion board, and a USB Type-C cable. Expansion board main blocks are USB Type-C connectors, load connectors, user LEDs, and Morpho connectors. The USB power delivery kit handles two USB Type-C ports. Digital controls and communications are managed by the STM32 microcontroller. The analog front end is built using discrete devices and includes an internal power block, but can also use an external power supply. This Nucleo kit provides a USB 2.0 full-speed data communication interface with two dual-role ports, switches, voltage and current sensors, EMI filters, and a power connector to interface with an external power supply. This hardware and software solution is supported by ST Microelectronics. This first demo shows the USB Power Delivery Pack's ability to detect cable insertion and negotiate the power contract. As you can see, the software is able to detect a wall charger connected through a USB Type-C cable. It can detect available power profiles and negotiate a power contract. This second demo shows the ability of the USB Power Delivery Pack to charge a MacBook. You can find related information and download binaries on ST's website. Browse to www.st.com/xnucleo and click on P-NUCLEO-USB-001. On this page, you will find documentation related to the USB Power Delivery Kit hardware. You can download specifications, manuals, and presentations. You can order a USB Power Delivery Kit. Click on X-NUCLEO-USB-PD to download software documentation. On this page, you will find documentation related to USB Power Delivery Kit software. You can download specifications, manuals, and presentations. You can download the software archive by clicking on Get Software. STM32 solution flexibility allows you to support various topologies and is adaptable with USB standard evolution. Thank you for watching this video. You can get more information on st.com.